Thank you for joining us on the sweet language of life. This is episode 5.
So I think through experiences, I'm guessing अभी तक तो मेरा
Right,
platform हो गया है. बाकी you never know how it goes.
right. See, I mean, I agree with you. For
Hmm.
example, when you say through experiences, you understand who you are. It is true because sometimes during our own experiences, we function quite well. And most of the times during our experiences, we don't function quite well. And
True, true,
during
true.
these memories or during these times when we don't function well, those are the memories that stick the most. And those are the memories we cling to. And, we say, Acha, give me 5 months' time, I'm going to be better. And this we tell to ourselves. We don't have to tell to somebody else. Right? We tell
Hmm.
ourselves, 5 mahine mein, we'll improve from wherever we
Right.
are. Now, contrary to how you used to deal with these questions, you used to read books, so on and so forth. I used to read books, but nothing to do with philosophy, nothing to do with um, something that's going to leave an impression on me. Right? I used to
Hmm.
read books on history. So history mein kya hua, kya nahi hua. Right?
Hmm.
And civics be, used to interest me. So my thought process of how life is was
Hmm.
all dependent on what I used to see around me. Right? मेरे
True,
आसपास,
true.
okay, I see my parents, okay, they are good, they are happy together, so great. Right? Yeah, this is how a family should be. Right? This is how
Hmm.
people would be. A relationship is based on compromises. One person, both two people are going to compromise, and then they're going to come to some unison, some decision, and that's going to let the conflict go to hell. Right? It's
Hmm.
more easier said than done. It's doesn't happen quite like that. And at some point of time, someone just decides, whether it's any sort of relationship, right? Whether it's even a relationship with your parents, a relationship with your girlfriend, a relationship with your siblings. At some point of time, whatever we are attached to has a possibility of hurting us. And when that person or thing that we are attached to leaves us,
Hmm.
that is when we are hurt the most, right? And that is when we try to ponder on, hey, when this thing happened, this is how I was, right? This is how I behaved, so this must be me, right? But a month back I did something and I wasn't quite at that point of time. I felt helpless. I couldn't let go of a situation. I just felt, I had to do something to get this person back. जो हुआ नहीं, and I basically made a fool of myself to some extent. Because fool of myself तो क्या ही बोलूं. Right now I feel like my own life's purpose is to somehow let go of the ego. Because when I say I made a fool of myself, I what I'm trying to say is I have a certain level, you know of I, and then वो level गिर गया है, right? Because of something I did, right?
Self esteem के
Right,
नीचे तैर गए.
right. But
Right.
right now where I want to be is I don't want to have a self esteem. I don't want to have a self respect. ये जो लोग बोलते हैं ना, the idea of the self, कि you have to trust yourself, you have to, be emotionally satisfied yourself. Emotionally satisfied, true. But is emotionally satisfied equals to, playing music and you're satisfied at that point of time, and जैसे ही तुम बंद कर देते हो तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब हो जाता है, क्योंकि वो चीजें तुम्हारे दिमाग में आती रहती है वापस. मैं
True.
मेडिटेशन करता था. आई थिंक अ मंथ बैक वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट मेडिटेशन. You had asked me a few questions. At that point of time I truly felt meditation was helping me, but it did not. It did not quite help me answer those, the reasons why things were happening. And because it wasn't able to answer those reasons why these things were happening, that's why I took to talking to people, watching a person called J Krishnamurti on YouTube. And
Oh,
I would suggest that person to you. I'm not sure if you've watched his
right.
videos or. Right. So I am a complete fan of that guy, and he has brought me out of the shit that I was in for a month. because he really wants you to think. I'm not going to propagate him. जैसे वो Jesus Christ है. I'm going to say he has a way of thinking which really connected with, okay, this is how
Very
you
clear
should
with,
think.
yeah, it's
Right.
very clear.
And at when you
Very
actually
helpful.
start thinking that way, you realize that you've been bullshitting yourself for your whole life. You know.
To an extent, yes.
Right.
But
I agree. It's not easy to let go. Right. It's not, because
it's not.
for our whole lives, if we fall in love with someone, we fall in love with the memories of them. When we are sending emails and messages to them, there is a memory that we have associated, and we are sending an email and message to, assuming that that person is this memory that I have, right? But you don't ever know at that point of time who they are. That's what I said, right? I don't know who I am, because at this point of time I am this person. 5 minutes later, I don't know who I am, how I'm going to react. Similar with
Mhm.
everyone else in the world. And when people say everyone is the same, they're not saying, your genes are as same as mine. What they're saying is that the qualities in us of being unpredictable is so predictable, right? That we don't know who's going to be who's going to be who at what point of time, right? And yeah, I'll leave that thought like till here. Let's listen to what you would want to say about this.
Really, I though just have a question to ask. So, when you say you know, I listened to and read up to J. Krishnamurti, and I thought a lot of it. So, I mean, thinking a lot really clears a lot of thing, and it really gives you a picture of your cognition and how you have been functioning. It is very rational, of course, but matlab, I do not, matlab, I to my experience I do not know still yet. But does that bring this permanence in you? I mean, can you think, and just because of rational of thinking, that okay, this is that, stay on a same path for, I mean,
So
how many, kitna prolong kar sakte hain usko? And if that is the case, why are people stupid? Because people, not you, I mean people in the sense, general human psyche.
right.
Everybody has brains, and everybody has this common sense, and everybody knows this is wrong and this is right, and this is wrong for me, and I'll be stupid if I do this. But still people do what, I mean, still they fall into those traps. And if you see society as large, it's a circus. I mean, why are people not able to rationalize their thoughts and their thinking, even if they have been told that okay, this is this and this is that? Well, what do you think about this?
I think, see, we can't control our thoughts. What we can control is our action to those thoughts, right? So, for example, I might hate somebody, hate, right? I can see a knife in front of me. I am thinking of stabbing that person to death. I am. I am bloody thinking of stabbing him, and I wish I can cut all his organs at the same time, his neck also. Probably tie him
Mm,
up like a hog, right? I'm thinking, but am I
mm,
actually doing? No. So I think self control, don't want to use that word, self control. Control in itself, right? Control of which thought to put into action, right? That is what people have lost control over. Let me adjust this. Right. Right. That is what people have lost control over thoroughly. And the reason why they've lost control over, and this is not something that is happening in the 21st century, this is happening since 10,000 years, right? So if I were to ask you, hey Akshay, do you want to do something good today or bad today? your answer would mostly be good, right? But then, hey, Akshay, you're the president of some country. Do you want to do good today or bad today? I want to do good, right? Good for
Mhm.
whom? Good for yourself, good for someone else, right? Good for the world, right? That's the question we need to ask. And most of the times, what you'll see is people since millennia have been self centered. When I say self centered, they do things which will take care of their needs, right? And we don't understand it at the point of time when we are doing something. So, for example, when I blame someone that why did you do this? This is affecting me. I'm feeling sad. I'm feeling hurt. What I'm saying is, hey, myself, my ego, me
Is getting.
is getting hurt. So you are hurting me, right?
Mhm.
Instead of, and I am saying my hurt is the biggest hurt at this moment, right? No one else is feeling hurt. No one else has ever felt pain. You are paining me at this moment, right? And that's very selfish because I don't know how to explain it, but if my hurt is the biggest hurt at the moment, and if I was to quantifiably weigh it with some other hurt in the world, there's someone who's lost a child, there's someone who's done something or the other. But for me at that point of time, for me, my ego is the king. For me, my
Mhm.
ego has to be satisfied. And I was talking to Malvika about this yesterday again, where I said, when someone scares you, someone puts a hand in front of you, your body reacts, right? But at that point of time, you're not thinking. When someone does this, your body reacts by itself. Thought comes after and says, hey, that was a hand, right? बट लेट्स से किसी ने तुमको गाली दिया, हाँ, और तुमने उल्टा गाली दे दिया, और फिर जब तुमने गाली दे दिया फिर तुम सोच रहे हो कि हे मैंने गाली क्यों दी, या फिर मुझे तो और गाली देना चाहिए था, राइट? तो ये जो मैंने उल्टा गाली दिया ना, ये कंडीशनिंग है. दिस इज व्हाट वी बीन कंडीशन टू डू फॉर years and years, right? And this conditioning is is the thing which is reacting before we are ever thinking of how to react or thinking of how to act on our thoughts. ये जो हम एक्शन ले रहे हैं, ये अपने आप हो रहा है. इट इज लाइक अ स्प्रिंग. मैंने स्प्रिंग खींचा और वो
Panic
पुश हो रहा
mode.
है, राइट? वो पैनिक मोड. बिकॉज अगर तुम इनेटली सेल्फिश हो, तुम्हारे रिएक्शंस अपने आप आ जाएंगे, क्योंकि तुम अपने आप को बचा रहे हो. उस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे कोई तुमको गाली दे रहा है तो ए तू मेरे को गाली दे रहा है, तेरे को मैं खत्म कर दूंगा.
Mhm.
उसके बाद तुम बस में बैठ के सोच रहे हो कि मैंने गाली क्यों दी, या फिर मुझे और गाली देना चाहिए था. अगर और गाली देना चाहिए था तो और गाली देना होता उस टाइम पे. बट तुमने वो सोचा नहीं कि मुझे और गाली देना था. तुमने बस उतना सा गाली दिया. अगर नहीं गाली देना था तो तो फिर और ऑब्वियस है कि यू शुड हैव हेल्ड बैक. Certainly if it's a person you love, right, and you've reacted to them in a very bad way, and फिर तुम बस पे बैठ के सोच रहे हो भाई मैंने क्यों ऐसे किया, एंड तब तक सब कुछ खत्म हो चुका है, right? Is that not telling us something?
And that is conditioning of you and us and society at large. That is there. I mean, that is true.
And stupidity उसी से आती है, because you mentioned stupidity, right? Why are people stupid? They do stupid things because they are selfish. Like I don't know how to explain that, but let's say मैं एक पार्टी में हूँ, मुझे केक
Mhm.
नहीं खाना चाहिए, ठीक है? पर जैसे ही मतलब वो जो जिसकी पार्टी है उसने ब्लो कर दिया कैंडल को, उसने प्लेट्स दिया सबको, हाँ, तुम सबसे पहले थे उस लाइन पे, तुमने केक खा लिया, ठीक है? नाउ
Mhm.
I know I didn't have to eat that cake. For some reason, I can't eat that cake, but I ate it
Mhm.
because I've been conditioned to eat it. मैंने सोचा नहीं उस टाइम पे, किसी ने मेरे को कुछ दे दिया, मैंने सोचा ही नहीं उसके बारे में, मैंने कर लिया. उसके बाद फिर मैं सोच रहा हूँ, शिट, मेरे को तो नहीं खाना चाहिए था. आज व्रत है, आज मेरे को केक नहीं खाना चाहिए था, अंडे वाला. I don't know how to explain, but I
Oh, I
think
know.
everything boils down to the self-centeredness. and that self-centeredness has creeped into our conditioning, how we behave.
That is there. I mean, but I mean, that will be there, and that has always been there. I mean, self-centeredness need not be, how do I put it? I mean, it can do beautiful things too. Self-centeredness.
For example,
Like, for example, Abhi just say, I mean, you mentioned ki once you have realized that, very small example, once you have realized ki hey, talking about other people in general is stupid. Too much indulging in gossiping is stupid, right? And as carnal as it may sound, and as pleasurable it may sound, but well, Ishan realizes this. I can use this time for other thousand things and to really look for myself. And you use that time. You're being selfish to yourself, to your growth, or to your what do you say, to your intellect at that time.
so
Bolo, bolo.
just stop you there before you proceed. So मेरा definition of selfishness है ना, it's not me devoting time to myself or not. It's selfishness for me means doing some action with the expectation of a reciprocation of that action. मतलब अगर मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, मुझे उसके बदले कुछ चाहिए, क्योंकि
वो
मूल
तो
पे
हर
मैं ही
एक्शन
हूँ.
वो तो हर एक्शन में है ना. एवरी
मैं
एक्शन एग्जांपल.
मैं सो रहा हूँ, मेरे को उसके बदले
एवरी
कुछ,
एक्शन
मुझे किसी और से कुछ नहीं चाहिए,
यू
मुझे
नीड
अपने से
रेस्ट.
चाहिए. नहीं, वही तो बोल रहा हूँ ना, मुझे किसी और से कुछ नहीं चाहिए. अगर मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा
अच्छा.
हूँ तो मैं, मुझे और किसी से कुछ नहीं चाहिए, राइट. हाँ, अगर अगर मैं केक खा रहा हूँ तो मुझे किसी और से केक चाहिए. कुछ कुछ और, मतलब देयर आर थिंग्स वेयर वी आर ऑलवेज आस्किंग फॉर रेसिप्रोकेशन.
Intention with selfishness.
सॉरी.
Let's say you have a girlfriend. Let's
राइट.
let's assume.
राइट. लेट्स अज्यूम.
Let's assume you.
राइट.
Let's assume you'll be married in 1 year, right? Let's assume you will be married in 1 year down the line. Okay. And just as you just said, कि I'm studying or if I'm sleeping, I'm not asking anything from anybody. I'm just being with myself. And that is not selfishness to you, right? But it
राइट.
could be an act of selfishness to the partner.
राइट.
She may feel that, okay, I need to be Shan, I need to talk something for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I need to tell him how was my day. And that
राइट.
is the basic expectancy she comes with in, when she comes into your life.
राइट.
But according to you, you reading a book or you just taking a nap for 2 hours is it's fine, and it's not a toll on anybody.
राइट.
Correct from your point of view. That very act is selfish when you are connected with people. So see, when we are living devoid of society, our act are, moreover, we can define our acts. Okay, I'm not taking much from society. I'm not giving them much to the society. But
राइट.
when we are, to an extent, 90%, we are surrounded with people, and our actions, our habits, everything is designed in such a system. We are indulging in selfishness at most of that, in most.
सो अब मैं अपना वो रेसिप्रोकेशन वाला आइडिया वापस दूं. द एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ यू दैट द अदर वुड अंडरस्टैंड इज इन सेल्फ अ सेल्फिश एक्ट. मतलब when you are
It
saying,
is.
right, so you,
It
while
is.
you are, while you perceive it not to be a selfish act, the expectation that the other would also understand and
Mm,
things would go well is selfish by itself, because you are asking for some
mm,
reciprocation. You understand me when I am being selfish. You understand me when I am giving time to myself, right? So we are asking the other
mm.
person to understand even though it might not look like that, right? But after the fact has happened,
Mhm.
right, what's happening is, hey, I am also expecting something from the other person. The expectation is for them to shut up and not call me. There is a reciprocation tag there, so we are selfish there as well. I was the other person, so for you might have been someone who was taking time. For me, I was the person who wanted time from the other person, right? So I was 100% selfish, because at that point of time I didn't understand what was going on. Right now when I think of it, hey, damn selfish guy. Right? I need to satisfy my ego by talking to you, so you bloody pick up the call, right? For you it's,
Very
I need to satisfy my ego, so you bloody don't disturb me.
Thank you for watching The Sweet Language of Life.